Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the base model and organizing your data so the edit can learn patterns. Pick a model family that supports conditional editing, then gather 100:1, 000 well-curated source/target pairs, quality beats quantity. Install Python, PyTorch, and any model-specific libraries, and verify your GPU has enough RAM. Once done, split data into train/val, and make sure to standardize formats and resolutions so training converges faster and your edits remain consistent. You now construct the training loop and the specific editing objective. Define a combination of pixel and perceptual losses and add identity or style constraints to preserve intent. This helps the model change only what you want. Choose whether to freeze the encoder or fine-tune layers based on data size. Use learning rate schedules and mixed precision to speed up training. Once started, validate often with 5 to 10 held-out samples per epoch, and log images and metrics so you can detect mode collapse or overfitting early. You finish by running batched inference, sampling different seeds and edit strengths to produce variation, then pick the best candidates. If outputs show artifacts or drift, adjust loss weights, add augmentations, or fine-tune only specific layers to stabilize behavior. Once you have reliable edits, export the model and create a simple wrapper for deployment. If things go wrong, inspect training gradients and logs first. If they explode or vanish, reduce the learning rate, add regularization, or increase data diversity to recover training.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.